If you're an investor looking to cash in on the 2025 market, foreclosures might be your golden ticket. Let's break it down. Foreclosures are climbing again, with a 4% rise in filings from September to October 2024 and an 8% jump in February 2025. Sounds like a lot, but we're still way below pre-pandemic levels. Certain states like Nevada, New Jersey, and Florida are hotspots, along with metro areas like Lakeland, Atlantic City, and Las Vegas. Keep an eye on these. Why the uptick? Rising mortgage rates and economic pressures. With an average mortgage rate of 6.76%, some homeowners struggle to keep up. But high home equity and low inventory are keeping a market crash at bay. Remember, the average foreclosure takes 762 days, so patience is key. No crash expected, but affordability is a challenge, especially with a median home price of $357,000. So, if you're looking to invest, foreclosures in 2025 could be your winning move. Do your homework, consult with pros, and happy investing.